Hello and welcome to this video in which I would like to give you an introduction to the Bybit cryptocurrency trading exchange. Recently BitMEX has been having a few problems and Bybit has taken a lot of their volume. So this is the main exchange that I'm using now on a day-to-day basis. So I want to give you an overview of the exchange and how we are entering and exiting the trades on this website. Okay, so as always, I have to say that this is not a financial advice video. I'm not telling you what to do or where to place your money. You do have to do your own research. So this is just an educational entertainment video for the purposes of really explaining how to use the exchange. But you have to do your own research of where you actually want to put your money. So first thing, you're going to obviously make an account. Once you have made your account, you're going to be able to come over here and click on My Assets, and you're obviously going to see 0 to start with. Once you are ready for trading on the exchange, you can obviously deposit. Okay, you can either deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP, or Tether. They are adding more assets, but this is the Bitcoin and altcoins that we have at the moment available. So once you have deposited, let's say Bitcoin, you're then ready to trade. I really like this website because you have the option of trading Tether or the inverse perpetual. And I will explain the Tether in a second, but let's go into the inverse perpetual. This is what you're going to be very used to. So once you've deposited Bitcoin, you're ready to trade straight away. Okay, so what I like about this website, the advantages are it's very, very simple. The user interface is really good. They have an app, so they have an official, app that you can trade from your phone, all official, and then they have, the really nice website. This is obviously all customizable. You can change your windows around, resize them, personalize this, but obviously the fundamentals are all the same. So let's say we've customized our look and we're ready to trade. We've looked at the Bitcoin chart here, and what I like is you can see here, really simply your order price, and then your quantity. Okay, and this is obviously 1 is $1, 10 is $10, 3 is $3. So what we're going to say is we want to enter a long position. If you notice here, our entry, what we can do to get into quickly is, let's say we want to enter at $309. So we'll click on $309 and that's going to automatically update the order price here. Obviously, we could update this manually and type in $9,000. But for the sake, we're just going to click on 9,003 and we're going to say we want to buy this. Okay, and I'm going to click on buy. Then it's going to load up this screen. It's a really big advantage of the website that you can enter the take profit and the stop loss straight away. So you are literally entering the entry, the stop loss and take profit all on one screen. So there we're looking for that entry at $9,308. Okay, $309. So let's say our stop loss is $9,300 and we're looking to take profit $9,400. Okay, and then you can see you generally just going to leave this on last, okay, and last. And then you're going to want to click on confirm. That has now entered our order of $9,309, a take profit $9,400, and a stop loss at $9,300. See how simple that is? Straight away, we could now walk away, come back the next day and see we've either been filled, still in the position, or we've had our stop loss hit or our take profit hit. So that's the massive advantage of this website. It's very, very user friendly, very beginner friendly, that you can just enter all of that from the books straight away. Okay, so when you're entering your orders, you just have the advantage of entering those take profits and stop losses in a very simple manner. Okay, let's say that we didn't want to wait around and we wanted to get filled straight away. And obviously we can come across here and we can click on market and we can mark it long into an order. At the same time, we can also enter our take profits. Again, we'd say, let's say 9,400 is our take profit, and we can then enter here a stop loss. And again, we could enter 9,300 as a stop loss. And then we can click on confirm. And now that's entered us into our position straight away. You see how that stop loss is entered automatically for us, and also the take profit, all automatic. We don't have to worry about doing anything ourselves. There's no way that we can mess up on this because it's all very, very, very simple. So that's the main advantage here of Bybit. They're making things very simple for you. It works the same on BitMEX. You still have your funding over here, so you can see the funding rate is still just exactly the same. And yeah, that's a basic overview of the exchange. Okay, so really you deposit and then you can come over here onto the exchange and trade. And we're using these really nice ways that they've entered it. So you enter your entries, take profit and target all at the same time. Just makes life very, very easy. Now you can see over here under positions, we are currently in that long position, and if we want to just close out of that straight away, say we're not liking what's happening, we can just click on market here, click on confirm, and now we're out of that position totally. Okay, so I said I'd mention the difference of the USDT perpetual. So by default, if you deposit Bitcoin, you're not going to have any balance of Tether. So So the advantage of going into Tether is that, let's say you think Bitcoin is going to drop and you want to have a little bit of insurance. You don't want to go into a times one short. There's obviously many different ways you can hedge. You can go into a times one short, which is the strategy I generally do. But let's just say you want to go into Tether. Well, if you want to go into Tether and you're in Bitcoin at the moment, you just come over to trade USD perpetual, and then you're going to click on exchange. Okay, and then really simply, you will go from Bitcoin into Tether. Let's say we want to do all of our balance, get quotation. You're then going to see that it's going to, do a little fee for converting this. So this is about $1,000 ish. Okay, and the fee for this is about 50 cent, a really minuscule amount. So you're going to get charged 50 cent for the conversion of like $1,000, and then you will click on convert, and then straight away you'll have everything in Tether. That way, if Bitcoin falls, you have the exact same USD value. Okay, so that's an advantage I can see of that. I think that 99% of the time, the inverse perpetual is the way to trade, or this is the way that I trade. Okay, so I trade on the inverse perpetual. So that's the majority, 99.9% of the time, I'm in the inverse perpetual. I really like this interface. I like how simple it is. We've been able to enter everything in one screen. That the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit all on one screen. Very, very simple trading. It's why it's the leading exchange in my opinion for Bitcoin trading at the moment, making things very simple. Their app is it's just very user friendly. It's one of the one of the exchanges. BitMEX doesn't have the app, for example. So again, they're just innovating, making things better. And so yeah, that's a rundown of this website. Okay, how to, pretty simple, get into your orders, get out of your orders. Okay, if you want to change your leverage, then you got this slider here. So if you want to be trading on like times 50 leverage, okay, or times 1 leverage or cross, you can, the slider is there. And there's, I think that's about it that I really wanted to say on this one. Obviously when using the conditional, this is for example, if we wanted to, okay, let's do another example then. So let's say we wanted to enter one contract and we buy, okay, and we click confirm. If we wanted to enter our stop loss manually, that's when we could click on this and we'd say our stop loss is 9,300. Okay, close on trigger, and then we would have to enter, we just entered into a long, so we'd have to enter a short there and confirm. So then again, if it comes down and hits our order, this is going to get us out of the position. You don't really need to get so advanced into all the conditional orders or anything like that because of how easy Bybit is in the first place. Okay, so don't really think many of the beginners here are going to need to worry about any of that. Okay, really simply, all you need to worry about is, do I want a long? Do I want a short? If I want a short, then I can do that. Click on sell, enter a stop loss, enter a take profit and a stop loss. So that's in this short example. Let's say we're targeting 9,300. Okay, our stop loss is 9,400. We click on confirm. We're in that short straight away. We have our take profit below us. We have our stop loss above us. Okay, so very, very simple trading. If you have any questions, ask me in the Discord. And I hope this has been helpful. Thanks, everybody. Cheers. Bye.